Good. It's so wet inside the... Oh yeah, broken! Problem with water income is here under this plastic between the glass and the headlamp case. Remove the plastic cover, remove this clamp. Now clean everything here in this area well. Especially here, because here is our water intake problem. Broken! No! Use silicone plus. So. That's so good. Good. Oh, yeah. Use this special tool, Phillips. Good, brother. Good.